Hey guys, what's up? It's your Sunny Trainer Sydney, and I'm here today with a recumbent bike cardio HIIT workout. So let's get onto our bikes and get started. We're gonna start off with an easy 3-minute warm-up. So set your resistance to something low, maybe 1 or 2. And we'll get started in right about 10 seconds here. All right, let's start cycling nice and easy. You just keep your hands nice and relaxed right at your sides. If you have pulse monitors on the side of your bike, grab onto those. Let's ease in. We have 3 whole minutes to warm up. As you're sitting here on your warm-up, I want you guys to think about your form as you're sitting on your bike. Your shoulders should be up and back, chest nice and proud, and your core should be engaged. That's how we're going to protect our spine while we're cycling on our recumbent bike. I know it's easy just to relax on this nice and comfy seat that we have back here, but you still want to keep your upper body nice and engaged as you're riding on this bike. So stay safe, so we can keep on riding. All right, we're about 1 minute in, 2 minutes to go. If you can, pick up the pace just a touch. We want to increase that effort throughout this warm-up, because at the end of the 3 minutes, we're going to go into our first cardio intervals of the day. Our intervals today are going to be 30 seconds hard cycling to 15 seconds of rest. If you're not familiar with HIIT intervals, we're really going to try to push that pace on those 30 seconds of hard work. We're also going to increase our resistance. If you don't feel comfortable increasing your resistance today, it's okay to stay right where you're at. Just pick up the pace a little bit. One more minute. If you're feeling good, let's increase that pace just a little more. Let's get ready for those upcoming HIIT intervals. If you have pulse sensors, let's check in on that pulse. Your heart rate should be going up by now. As we start pushing this pace. 30 more seconds, guys. Great job. All right, so we're gonna go right into our HIIT intervals. So I'm gonna crank up my resistance. I'm gonna try 4 for now. We'll see how that feels. If it's too easy, I'll crank it up even higher on the next one. For these intervals, I'm gonna be holding onto these handlebars here so that I can be a little more active and try to be faster on my pedaling. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, just keep your hands right at your sides and push your pace from here. Do whatever feels comfortable to you. I'm going to get these started. 10 seconds, we'll get started. So crank up that resistance to whatever it is you want to go to. Let's go. Hit it hard, 30 seconds. Push that pace, keep pushing yourself. You can do this. Keep breathing. 15 more seconds. We're halfway there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slow it on down. You have 15 seconds of rest. Awesome job. 1 interval down. 2 more to go in this round. You guys are doing great. Let's go. Pick up that pace and go. 30 more seconds on the clock. Try to go faster than you did last time. Keep pushing, 10 more seconds. And rest. Great job, you guys. Keep breathing. 1 more to go. You guys are doing great. Let's go. 1 more. Come on. Push all those energy down into your pedals. You should be pushing with your lower half of your body. That upper half you want to keep nice and strong. Upright position. Totally stable. Push with those legs. Come on. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. And rest. Oh. 15 seconds of rest. Catch your breath. Grab a drink of water if you need it. All right, great job, my friends. When you're ready, come on and come up off of that bike. We're gonna do a quick bodyweight circuit, and then we'll come on back to our recumbent bike. So find yourself just a little space. We're gonna start out with bodyweight squats. We have 10. So put those feet right about shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down right about to 90 degrees. If you can't get that low, just go as far as you comfortably can. Okay, you can go right here. Whatever feels okay to you. That's 4, 5, 6. Squeeze those glutes at the top of your squat. 7, 8. Last 2. 1 more. And 10. Great job. Our next exercise in our bodyweight circuit is standing crunches. So I'm going to have you put your hands right on the sides of your head, elbows pointing outwards. We are going to bring one leg up. We're going to touch our knee to our elbow for a little standing crunch. That's 1. We're going to do 10 total crunches. 2, 3, hold your balance. 5, 6, nice and steady. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. All right, last exercise. We are going to do 10 calf raises. So I'm actually going to come on back here and hold onto the back of my recumbent bike for support. You don't have to do that, but it makes it a little bit easier. We're going to do double leg calf raises. So we're standing on both feet. We have 10. Come up on off of that ground, up onto your toes, and down. That's 1. 2, 3. Push it up as high as you can go. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2 more. Last 1. 10. Shake it out. Great job, you guys. Head on back to your recumbent bike. We're going to hit some more cardio intervals. So get set up, get comfortable on your bike. We'll get started in about 10 seconds. If you need to adjust your resistance at all, this is the time to do it. Let's go. Pick it up. Let's focus in on this 30 seconds. Give it everything you have. Five more. 3, 2, and 1. And rest. Relax. Take a few deep breaths. Good job, you guys. Keep breathing through these intervals. I know they're tough, but stick with me. Stick them out. They're worth it. Let's go. 30 more seconds. $15 more. Come on. Stay strong. Remember that posture. Keep those abs engaged. Upright shoulders. And rest. Whew. Great job, you guys. One more. You're doing awesome. Keep pedaling those legs. Keep that movement going. Let's go. One more. Come on, focus. Push that pace. Come on, guys. Don't get sloppy on me. Nice upright posture. Pushing with those legs. 5 more seconds. Give me a few more big pushes. And rest. Woo. That was a tough one. All right, take a little rest. We're gonna go back into that bodyweight circuit that we did before. Whew. Grab a quick drink of water if you need it. I'm gonna get up, head over to my little workout space. All right, come over and join me. We're gonna get this bodyweight circuit really quick. All right, let's get into it. 10 bodyweight squats. Come on, guys, you've got this. Remember, you guys don't have to go as low as I'm going. Just go as low as feels comfortable to you. 5 more. And 10. Great job. All right, standing crunches. We have 10. Put those hands up behind your head. And crunch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. All right, last up, half raises. Come on back to the back of that recumbent bike. Hold on to that chair for support if you need it. We have 10 half raises. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. All right, guys, back onto that bike. We have one more round of our cardio HIIT intervals. Stay with me here. I know we're getting tired. Not asking you to be perfect. I just want to see some good effort, all right? So get set up here. If you need more resistance, feel free. Less resistance, same thing. Whatever works for you. Let's get these last 3 intervals. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on, keep pushing it. Halfway there. Focus. 5 more seconds. Push those legs. And rest. Whew. Nice deep breaths. 30 more seconds, let's go. Come on guys, push that pace. I know you've got this. Give me all you've got. Whatever's left in the tank, I want to see it now. 10 more seconds. Come on, stay strong. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, rest. All right, you guys. Oh, you're doing so amazing. We only have one more left. Come on, you can do this. We've got this. Let's go. Come on, pick up that pace. Everything you have, leave it all in this last sprint. Fast as you can. I want to see those legs moving. Let's go. 10 more seconds. Come on. Pump those legs. 3, 2, 1. And rest. Whew. Dang, good job, you guys. Bring that resistance on down. Just a slow little cycle. Let's bring our heart rate down a little bit before we step off our bike. You guys did so amazing today. I know that that wasn't easy, but it's going to be so worth it. So proud of you guys. And bring it on down to a stop. If you want to keep going on your cool down, feel free to keep going as long as you please. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for this workout. I had so much fun with you. We'll see you guys next time.